Ma'am, how much money do you make a year, truthfully?
Truthfully, about 42,000.
You make
But
40.
see, he negates to say.
Mrs. Johnson.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I did. The child is now 18. I would like to be relieved of the child support payments.
Continue.
Because I've fulfilled my obligations in the amicable split that we had. So since the child is 18, I would like to be relieved of child support payments.
Mrs. Johnson comes to court with a strong demand for child support. She says her son is now 18, so her duty is over. But something doesn't feel right about her story. It seems too perfect. The truth is coming out soon, and everything will change.
Sir, how do you feel about that?
Ma'am, I don't know what kind of Afrocentrickery she's trying to run up in here, but it costs money to raise a child. I understand he's 18, but he's handicapped. He's special.
Okay, so now we're getting to the meat of it, because that's not what she just presented to me.
Well,
She
she's
just
acting
presented
special
it.
right now because she don't want to
Well,
pay this
sir,
money.
let's not do name calling. That's not nice.
I didn't call her no names, ma'am. I'm just saying she's acting special. All I know is this: it costs money to take care of this child. I don't.
The father speaks calmly but clearly upset. He explains their son is not just 18, he is disabled. This case is not only about age, it's about care and responsibility. As the judge listens, the mother's story starts to fall apart.
What type of disability does
He
he
has a
have?
mental disability, ma'am.
Okay. What type of medical bills does he have?
Currently, my bills are running about $1,800 a month. I have a garage. Obviously, by my dress and appearance today, I'm a simple man, but I make a clean living and do what I have to do. But I can only fix so many cars a day and have to put on helmets and change stuff. I don't have the time.
He pays $1,800 every month for his son's care. He works as a mechanic, just trying to survive. While he earns money by fixing cars, he is also carrying a heavy responsibility alone. But where is the mother in all this?
Okay, what type of medical expenses does the child have on a monthly basis?
He has rehabilitation.
Okay.
He also has some vocational training skills to help him. We're trying to get him out there on his own a little bit.
Okay.
And he also has a speech therapist that comes in once a week also to help him out.
Okay. And other than that, is he does he have any other disabilities or anything?
Not really, other than, her not being around ever.
Okay.
That's the only disability that's really got it.
The father explains his son needs rehab, job training, and weekly speech therapy. These are not luxuries, they are necessary for survival. His voice shows pain, not just from expenses, but from lack of support.
And you want to be removed from child support, and you hear about all of the care that it takes to take care of your adult child who's disabled, well, has special needs?
Your Honor,
Make this good.
I'm going to make this good. Due to the fact that I have been around, I do contribute, I am there. My job takes me all over the world. Not only do I'm an educator, but I also have another son as well too, who is 16. I'm in both of their lives.
The judge questions the mother. How can she leave a child with special needs? She says she is busy, she travels, and has another son. But the judge doesn't accept these excuses.
Therefore, I need a little reprieve because there are certain things that I need to do with cash, certain investments I want to make.
When I speak, you stop talking, okay?
Sure.
You're doing a whole lot of talking, and you're not saying anything, okay? Your child has needs that this man pays for. Rehab alone is $400 a month. Is this an expense that a doctor has told you that's going to be ongoing in the future?
Me, ma'am?
Yes.
The judge stops her and says enough. Excuses are over. Rehab alone costs $400 a month. She tried to hide the truth, but the court only accepts facts, not stories.
You're asking me to stop paying child support today? You know what? Ma'am, according to the paperwork that you provided, your child support is based on your annual income of $30,000 A year, right?
That is correct.
How much are you making now?
Probably a little more over 10,000
Okay.
over that.
You know what? Let me ask him, because I don't think some of the information you're giving me is very truthful. Sir, how
Yes,
much
ma'am.
money does she make a year that you know of?
When we first did the situation, she was making $30,000.
The judge investigates further. The mother claims she earns only $10,000 a year, but something seems wrong. The father reveals more information, and the truth shocks everyone. She has been hiding her real income.
Ma'am, how much money do you make a year, truthfully?
Truthfully, about 42,000.
You make
But
40.
see, he negates the six.
No,
Okay.
no, ma'am, no, ma'am. You made more money, and you tried to. First of all, I feel offended that you came into my courtroom and tried to downplay what the situation was, what it was in the first place. You made it appear as though this child turned 18 and your child support should naturally terminate. That's not what's going on. Your child has special needs that this man has been paying for.
Her real income is $42,000, not $10,000. She tried to mislead the court by showing lower earnings. The judge becomes angry because the truth is now clear.
You have gotten a $12,000 raise, in a sense, of salary.
Period of time.
And he, excuse me?
See, that's the reason I got
Even
rid of
over
her
a
in the
period of
first place.
time, today you make more money. Ma'am, so you said you make $42,000 a year. According to my calculation, that's about $3,500 for gross a month. That puts your net resources at $2,948.13. Who carries the health insurance on the child?
That would be me, ma'am.
The judge gives the final decision, $471.70 per month in child support. It is based on her real income and the child's real needs. But the father makes one more request.